we are doing the chapter rational number, and we have all kind of notes related to, and today I will ask very short questions from you in the beginning only, so that I can get the answers from you all. And after that, we will start the exercise question, which I feel from first exercise we should be told, like one, which I will tell you to, and how to do those questions. ठीक है, पहले नंबर वाला जो क्वेश्चन है वो how to use property, and then we have to solve that question. And before I move to question number one, I will just start my class with some questions which I have already taught, and I will just ask from you all. Please be alert on the chat box and reply those questions. If you can see, I gave you this question in the chat box. Farhan is also telling yes, but remember the answer is no. Let me tell you why. Because this is first thing to that one is positive, one is negative. And remember, the first condition is only false here, because both should be of the same sign. Why it should be in the same sign? Because it is telling here multiplicative inverse, not additive inverse. Multiplicative inverse are only opposite in position, okay, not opposite in sign. So if you solve this one, it will give you minus 10 by 3, and this is also 10 by, this is 10 by 3. So you must be thinking कि एक है प्लस में एक माइनस में, दोनों को ऐड करो जीरो आ रहा है, that is why they are reciprocal. Beta, absolutely wrong. I am not talking about additive inverse, I am talking about multiplicative inverse, and multiplicative inverse says their product should be coming 1. ठीक है, so अगर आप इसको देखते हो तो कहाँ 1 आ रहा है, it will give you 100/9, minus 100/9 even. Okay, so this is absolutely wrong in this case. It means they are not reciprocal of each other. They are additive inverse of each other. Okay, they are additive inverse of each other. They are not reciprocal of each other. Remember this portion. Okay, so I hope this is understood rightly correct. Yes. If you will see, I have asked you the question that are they additive inverse of each other? So what will you do? सबसे पहले तो you are knowing this is only minus 7. And this is minus plus, which will give you plus 7. Okay, so now this is minus 7, this is positive 7. Now let us add one to another one. Now when you will add this one, it will give you 0. That is fine. If it is giving 0, it means they are additive inverse of each other. Now this is completed. Okay. The first one is 0 has no reciprocal. The second one is the number 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals. The reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 1/5. Reciprocal of 1/x is only x. The product of two rational number is always a rational number because it is following the closure property. Then last one is the reciprocal of a positive rational number is positive always. And remember, you can include one more point if you want to have in your copy, that additive inverse of a positive rational number is always negative. Okay, the first one in question number 10, the rational number that does not have a reciprocal is 0. Second one in question number 10, the rational number that are equal to their own reciprocal, that is 1 and minus 1. And the last one from question number 10 is the rational number that is equal to its negative is 0 only, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. So you can even include 0 with positive, or you can also include negative with 0. So both will be the similar only. See, the question is telling that you have 3 whole 1/3, and it is asking 0.3 is a reciprocal of this number or not. Now let us prove it. You know that it's 3 whole 1/3. When you will solve it, it will give you 10/3. And when you find its reciprocal, it will give you 3/10. And you are knowing 3/10 ko when you make it simplify in the form of fraction, decimal, you will get it 0.3. So ultimately, your answer is coming 0.3 only. So yes.
Ma'am, by multiplying also we can find it.
Yes, you can also do that. Yes, 0.3 is reciprocal of 3 whole 1/3. That is finished now. When you talk about question number 8, 8 upon 9 का reciprocal will be minus 9 upon 8. Sorry,
No.
9 upon 8 only. ठीक है, and it is writing here minus 1 whole 1 by 8. So if minus नहीं होता then it means it is correct, but यहाँ पर minus आकर के it is wrong now. So you remember it is asking why or why not. So you can also show the product. The product will come minus 1. Hence it is not the reciprocal of 8 upon 9. And please don't write down the answers directly, beta. Please mention the reason perfectly, that why and why not. It is mentioned in the question. So you have to write it down with proper reason. Double SOCIATIVE, associative. So remember, question number 7 of NCERT exercise 1.1 is following the property associative, because it is making the group out of 3 numbers, one side another group, another side another group. So this means this is following by the property that is associative. Now move on to the next question. So question number 6 is telling that you have to multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So सबसे first reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So reciprocal of it will be giving you minus 16 upon 7. First you have taken out reciprocal. Okay, and then it is telling you to multiply. You have to multiply. So I'm doing it according to question. You have to multiply 6 by 13 into it. Okay, so 16 6 are 96 and this is 91. So the correct answer would be minus 96 upon 91. Question number 5. The first one is just changing the order in both the situations. So this is commutative property of multiplication. Okay, and also you can write it down multiplicative identity also if you want to mention. Otherwise, commutative property of multiplication is fine. Now, question number 2 of 5th one, it is again commutative property of multiplication only, because it is again changing the order. Now, move on to the third one. It is having one number is multiplying by its reciprocal and giving the product 1. That means it is multiplicative inverse property. So you can also write only multiplicative inverse. So question number 5 is done. So first one, it is asking about multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse is just changing the position numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator without changing the sign.
1 by 13.
So it will give you minus 1 by 13. I would request you to please not to speak in between. Please answer in your chat box. Now minus 13 upon 19 will give you minus 19 upon 13. Now third one, 1 by 5 will convert again, so it will give you 5 by 1. Now the next one, it is not written in the simplified way. So first we will make it simplified. So you are knowing 8 sevens are 56 and 5 threes are 15 when you will solve it. And after solving, just take out its reciprocal, which will give you 56 by 15. Okay, now move on to the next question, which is again similar to the fourth one only. First, you have to make it simplified. When you will make it simplified, the product with 1 will give you the same answer. It will give you 2 upon 5, minus will give you plus only. And when you will take it out, its reciprocal, which will give you normally 5 by 2. Now move on to the last question. You are knowing that minus 1 ka reciprocal comes minus 1 only. Now one thing which I want to tell you, please remember beta, don't put the sign of equal. Don't put the sign of equal, because generally we have the habit of writing equal sign. So beta, if you will write down like this, 5 ka reciprocal is 1 by 5 and you will write it down like this, equal to. It will be wrong, because 5 cannot be equal to 1 by 5. You don't write like this. Either you write it down like this, multiplicative inverse of 5 equal to 1 by 5. Okay, don't mention 5 is equal to 1 by 5. Either you put this kind of arrow, which I have written it. You can see that I have not taken anywhere equal to sign. किसमें लिया है? बिकॉज आई हैव सिंप्लीफाइड दिस एंड आई एम गेटिंग दिस. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट पुटिंग, रिमेंबर, चूज द साइन अप्रोप्रिएटली. ठीक है, बिकॉज 5 कैन नॉट बी इक्वल टू 1/5. For additive inverse also, don't put right 5 is equals to -5. They cannot be equal. So remember over here that when you talk about -13, it will give you the reciprocal, that is -1/13, because reciprocal means just opposite in sign. Not only opposite in sign, sorry, reciprocal means just numerator converts in denominator, denominator converts in numerator without changing the sign. Sorry, I just did it by mistake. So remember, when you talk about reciprocal, reciprocal means numerator changes into denominator, denominator changes its numerator, and remember the sign will not change. So the same thing goes in -13/19. It will give you -19/13 without changing the sign. Then you talk about 1/5, which will give you 5/1. Then this question is not written in the simplified way. So first you will make it simplified. So you are knowing minus minus will give you plus, 5 3s are 15, 8 7s are 56. And when you will do the reciprocal of it, it will give you 56/15. Now move on to question number 5 again. That is -1 multiplied by -2/5. So when you will do it multiplication, it will give you directly 2/5. And 2/5 ka when you do reciprocal, again numerator changes its denominator, and denominator will become numerator. So it will give you 5/2. Now move on to the last one. As we have already studied that 1 and -1 are the rational numbers which have their same reciprocal. So it will give you the same answer. Thank you everyone.